मुझे ये मत कहो। डोंट मेक मी से इट। डोंट मेक मी से इट। इसे अभी खत्म करो। नॉक इट ऑफ राइट नाउ। नॉक इट ऑफ राइट नाउ। मुझे इसे कैसे जाने देना चाहिए। हाउ शुड आई लेट इट गो। हाउ शुड आई लेट इट गो। इतनी चिड़चिड़ा मत हो। डोंट बी सो ग्रम्पी। डोंट बी सो ग्रम्पी। आपने इसे किसको बेचा। Whom did you sell it? Whom did you sell it? मेरा मतलब शिकार करने का नहीं है। I don't mean to pry. I don't mean to pry. मुझे इसे फाड़ने दो। Let me tear it. Let me tear it. मैं मुश्किल से बोलता भी हूँ। I hardly even speak. I hardly even speak. बेचैन हो रहा था। He was getting restless. He was getting restless. ये आसान नहीं होने वाला है। It is not going to be easy. It is not going to be easy. मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप इसे ले। I want you to take this. I want you to take this. और क्या करना बाकी है। What else is remaining to do? What else is remaining to do? वो मुझे मूर्ख कहता है। He calls me a fool. He calls me a fool. इसे अभी नीचे रखो। Put that down now. Put that down now. मुझे कोशिश करने दो। Let me try it. Let me try it. यहाँ किताबों का ढेर ना लगाई। Don't pile up books here. Don't pile up books here. रात को हल्का भोजन करें। Take a light food at night. Take a light food at night. क्या मैं कृपया शामिल हो सकता हूँ। May I join please? May I join please? अपनी बारी का इंतजार करो। Wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. वो लगभग बोल चुका था। He almost spoke. He almost spoke. अच्छा काम करते रहे। Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. ये वो है जो आपकी मदद करता है। It is who help you. It is who help you. आप यहाँ क्यों आए हैं। What are you here for? What are you here for? इसके साथ क्या करना चाहिए। What should do with it? What should do with it? सब तुम्हारी जैसा नहीं है। All are not like you. All are not like you. आपको जल्दी करनी चाहिए. You must hurry up. You must hurry up. आप जैसा चाहो वैसा सोचो. Think as you like. Think as you like. क्या आप इसे मेरे लिए करोगी? Will you do it for me? Will you do it for me? वो इसे ले सकता है. He can take it. He can take it. कृपया दोपहर की भोजन के लिए हमसे जोड़े. Please join us for lunch. Please join us for lunch. कोई आया है. Has someone come? Has someone come? वो थक गया होगा. He must be tired. He must be tired. तुम्हें जरूर जाना चाहिए. You must go. You must go. मुझे वो चाहिए. I want that one. I want that one. वो कमरे में होगा. He will be in the room. He will be in the room. कभी कभी अपनी दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करें. Use your brain sometimes. Use your brain sometimes. वो इसका स्वाद ले. Just taste it. Just taste it. आप क्यों शुरू कर रही है? Why are you starting? Why are you starting? आप ये सब करती है. You do all this. You do all this. उसके पास पैसे नहीं है. She has no money. She has no money. क्या आपको खाना बनाना पसंद है? Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? ये कितनी का है? How much is it? How much is it? वो एक डॉक्टर की तरह नहीं दिखता है. He doesn't look like a doctor. He doesn't look like a doctor. उनका परिवार कल आ रहा है. His family is coming tomorrow. His family is coming tomorrow. वो अभी तक नहीं आया है. He has not come yet. He has not come yet. आप कितना लेना चाहती है? How much do you want to take? How much do you want to take? मुझे लगता है कि मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाने की ज़रूरत है. I think I need to go to the doctor. I think I need to go to the doctor. मैं बाहर जाने के लिए तैयार हो रहा हूँ. I am getting ready to go out. I am getting ready to go out. वो मेरे साथ जा रहा है. He is going with me. He is going with me.